everybody, and welcome back to episode number 3 of Singing Out. So, last couple episodes, we've talked a lot about finding our pitch, moving our range, experimenting a little bit with that range, and then also into the birthday conundrum about why we have so much trouble as large groups singing it based on who starts the singing first. So today what we're going to look at now is a very common song that you often hear, a song by the late Bill Withers, which is a fantastic tune called Lean On Me. It just works in just such a nice range, and the benefit here is the piano part actually is extremely simple too. So if you had a piano at home, which a lot of people do, they can kind of fiddle around with the notes to help them out. I'll also, again, show you about putting it in different keys that may work better or worse depending on how you feel comfortable with your voice. So let's start with some of the basics here. What's nice is this is in the key of C. So if you look here in what I'm placing, okay, cool, you can see. I'm holding my fingers weird just so you can see the keys, but again, here's kind of my starting pitch. What people like about this little tune is moving the piano part in the key of C is easy, because once you have your set position, you sort of move it up. And then you move it down. And then you move it up. So it's very simple, all white keys. For some reason, when we start to look at black keys, people get a little bit scared. But again, you don't think of them as any different, just an extension of the white keys. Now, singing in this key actually isn't too bad. We're using do, re, mi, fa. Do, re, mi, fa. Fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa. Fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, ti, do. So what's great is that's a very easy, compact range for us to play in, which makes it a lot easier. So now we'll go here. Let me give you some lyrics. You can sing along. Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain. We all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. So you notice that works just so nicely, because this C, D, E, E, F, these notes, do, re, mi, fa, are in a really nice range for everybody. Now, for me personally, I don't find it as my sweet spot. I like to kind of move the song up a little bit, but that doesn't always work for everybody depending on where you want to put it. So for example, let's move the song up and do that beginning again. Let's move it to the key of E. So now it's still do, re, mi, fa, which is here. So before you even sing it, you could just go do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do, and you could play around with it and go sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Now, what's nice about putting it in a key like that is, for me, it works nice in my voice. Don't forget, most songs go higher and higher. So now you got to think about that next part. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. And again, it still follows in that nice range there, not too much higher. I did some little things to kind of pop my voice up as I was playing around with that. Anyway, so that's a great key to play in for me. Let's move it around a little bit for you. So for example, let me move it to the key of A here. So now, if you're singing along, you want to start here on do and go do, do, re, mi, fa. Or, that's my low range, I could sing it. Do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re. Now for me, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling a little tight up there. I could do that with, again, my go-to answer is a deeper breath. Open up the throat. Make sure you relax when you're singing those high notes. However, for my younger friends, that should almost be a nicer little spot there singing there as you keep going. Try it. Please, I'll go to like a verse later on. Like, please swallow your pride. It goes like this. Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow, for no one can fill those of your needs that you don't let show. So again, these different keys have different pros and different cons to them. The big takeaway that I want to look at with you today is making sure you find your starting pitch. What's great in this song is it's do, re, mi, and fa. So let me put it in a key we haven't done. Let me move it down to some black keys here because, like I said, everyone's always scared of these black keys. So now I'm putting in a funky key called the key of F sharp. So now here's my do, re, mi, fa. Do, re, mi, fa. Or if I'm going up an octave, do, re, mi, fa. Fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, re. Ooh, I actually kind of like this key really nicely. So again, let's give me the chorus. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. Give me the chorus here. Ready? Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. So again, like I've been stressing with this whole series, Sing It Out, it's all about experimenting with keys. The best advice for this song is to find do, re, mi, fa. And then once you find that, whatever key you start on, you can make it work. So let's do one last little experiment before we cut the video here. I'm going to pick a random key on my piano, and I'm just going to do do, re, mi, fa from there. So for example, let me erase my musical memory. Cool. I'm going to start here. So I know that's do, re, mi, fa. And I could go. Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain. We all have sorrow. Good. Watch this. Erase my memory. Musical memory. Kind of like the Men in Black flashy camera. Let me pick a different pitch. Ready? That's my new do. Do, re, mi, fa. Watch this. Ready? Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain. We all have sorrow. So that's a good pitch too. Ready? Again, it's all about finding what works for you. So again, I keep saying again, I apologize. I'm like so stuck on the fact that you can do this and I believe in you. So play around with the piano. Pick a note. You don't need to be sitting here chopping out the full chords and everything. You could be sitting there and just saying, hey, here's my new note. I'm going to start here. Do, re, mi, fa. When you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. And you could play around with it. So I hope that helps today with a really classic song called Lean on Me, again, by Bill Withers. It's a great little version to listen to. Listen to the original. Listen to some covers. They're done at different tempos, speeds. A very popular one in the last decade or two has been like the Glee version of Lean On Me. It's got a lot of like pop and funk to it versus the original, which has kind of got a lot more soul and ballad feels to it. Take a listen. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.